Hello, and today we're going to be looking at the Arlington E455 by Skyline Homes. This is a manufactured home. This home is 1,085 square feet. It's got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It is a ranch style manufactured home. Anyway, I was actually inspired by this home. Here's a look at the floor plan. I think this is the perfect home for someone who's older, who's looking to kind of settle in someplace, doesn't want a huge overhead expense, or even for someone who is reeling it back in and trying to figure out what they want to do with their life and they want to kind of take a break. There's just so much flexibility when you have something at this expense. So I was inspired. I think that it's really cool. That was a quick glimpse of the kitchen. We'll come back to that. Again, this is a very, very basic floor plan, basic home. It's a manufactured home, but if you know, you know. I mean, you can't go wrong with the prices on these things. And it fits a lot of people's lifestyles. It's 2023 and you just have to be open-minded. So anyway, here is the bathroom on one side. So this home in particular has 1 bedroom on one side, 1 bedroom on the opposite side, and same with the bathroom. So there's the master bath, and then what we just seen just now, that was the secondary bath on the other side of the home. Again, great layout. You could even come in here and rent out the other bedroom, and then they have access to that bathroom right there. Then you're on the whole other side. You could even make it even more lucrative. You know what I mean? You could even make it more saver friendly, budget friendly. There's just so much that you can do with this home. Now, I went to go tour this home, and this is already standing. It's already got its own lot, and the base home in and of itself is with these upgrades on it, it's $80,000. Yeah, $80,000. Now, with the lot included where it was at, it was approximately $128,000, and that comes with, you know, what the lot was offering: snow removal, trash upkeep. They keep the neighborhood looking really nice. I will link that down if I can, you guys. If not, just, you know, here's the floor plan, here's the body. You can absolutely go and figure out where this is being made near you. But $128,000, everything included. You own the lot, you get everything that is yours. I think that is a steal. So for the right person, I mean, yeah. I'm not a fan of the brown trim, but you can easily get the white trim, or maybe like a charcoal, like an ash. You have the option to get those the lines removed. I forget what they were called. I'm gonna learn so much on this journey, but if you guys can see the little lines, that is a couple thousand more upgrade, but that is absolutely doable, and it would still be such a great price. It's just something to be considered, and you get so much space. Here's the master closet. Again, a lot of space, good amount. You put some furniture in there, some pretty, you know, blinds, some drapes, some decent furniture, a couple plants, some artwork, and that would be a great home to rebuild, get your mind right, maybe finish school. There's just so many options. So subscribe to the channel, check out the website. I'll holla at you guys on another episode.